Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to easily create videos for TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts very easily using Synthesia. And the particularities is that we are going to create or to use an avatar that speaks in any language. And so you can create the video once, and then if you have a successful channel and you need to duplicate it into other languages, you can very quickly do it with this tool. So let me show you how this workflow works. The first thing we need is a script, and you can write one yourself, but for the example today, I'm going to do an extra workflow and ask ChatGPT to produce one for us. And so I'm going to take an example. I did a search here for Olympic news, and we have this article, for example, about Simone Biles. So I'm going to click this one. And here, once I'm here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this article, all the text that's available publicly. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go inside ChatGPT and I'm going to say, summarize the article below in a 30-second script for a TikTok video. And I paste it and send. So as we can see now, ChatGPT is just creating a quick summary. We can grab this summary. We don't need the emojis or the rest of the information here, so I'm just going to copy up to here. So this is going to be our script. And now I go into Synthesia. I'm going to show you the templates a bit later, but now what I do is I go into new video and it says start from blank. And this allows me to create a video from the beginning. And so once we are here, we paste the script into this section here. By default has picked this avatar for us, but what we are going to do is I want to change this to vertical aspect ratio because this will be for TikTok. And next we delete this avatar and we open this avatar list. And so we can see here a list of avatars available for us. And there are many avatars available. Some of them have this purple icon, because what they do, this avatar basically is going to adjust the mouth movement and sync it to the text that we have here. So this purple thing means that they have some additional gestures that we can use or that they can use. And if we scroll down, we can see the others don't have the purple gestures, okay? So I'm gonna pick, for example, this lady, and we put her here. We can make this a bit more larger if we want. So this is going to be, let's say, 60% of the TikTok screen. And then here on the left-hand side, we can see the languages. So if I open this selector and I go back, we can see that there is a long list of languages that we can use. And yes, this script now is in English, so we should choose English here. But then we can ask ChatGPT to translate this. I'm going to do that and show it to you as well. So we say English, and we can, if we click here, I can listen this particular voice type. And for us today, I'm just going to select newscaster, because the exercise here would be to basically publish this in a TikTok channel that is related to news. So now there is this white background here, right? And so things that we can do are here at the top. We can change the avatars. We can add some text to the screen. We can add some shapes. I like to add some media. So if we come here, they have these integrations with some other companies where they have licensed some content. So here we could say reporter, for example. And as we can see, there are some backgrounds, maybe like this one. I could pick this one, and I can make this a bit larger now. And I can now put this in the background. And so now, if we preview this, we can see the background moving, and she's not speaking here, but she will be speaking when I publish, when I generate the final video. And so for my example today, I'm going to leave it here, but actually you can add some text, you can add some additional information if you want, and you can make this as nice as you want. They also have some additional functionality. So if we come here, they have some music, and you can add some music to the background while she's speaking. I prefer to select the music from TikTok because the music there is music that other creators are using for dancing and some of the videos, and I think that's more relevant. So I usually don't use this type of music here. And you can also add some, well, I selected the background, which is here, but you can replace that by additional backgrounds if you want. And then there is plenty of information regarding, what the animation is, if you want to trim this video, or for example, if she's speaking for 30 seconds and the background is just 10 seconds, you can loop it or you can stretch it to match the duration of her vocals. So once this is done, we would just click on generate. You can title this and generate. While that is being generated, we can do something else. We can go back to ChatGPT and we can say, translate the previous script into Spanish. And just like that, we now have the same script in Spanish, which we can use with a different voice. We copy this, we go back to Synthesia. We can use the same person, the same background, and all the settings that we adjusted. We just change this by the new script, and we generate again. So now those two videos are being generated. It just takes about 10 minutes or so, or 15 minutes for the assets to be available. This too has a free plan, but then it's about $25 if you want to produce about 10 minutes per month. And so if you are on TikTok and you publish 30-second videos, you can produce about 20 videos on a monthly basis. But you can buy more expensive plans for additional minutes if you need. So now, while these videos are being generated, let's talk about the templates for a second. They have a list of templates available. So if we pick this one, for example, all these templates have different scenes available, and you can use one scene or the others. And at the end of the day, a scene is just a combination of some overlays for the animations on the screen. There is the avatar who is talking. You can add some text and some background colors, and also some background video or images, as I did in our example. I'm going to wait until these videos have been generated, and then I'm going to put them at the end of my video so you can watch them and see how the voices sound both in English and in Spanish in this case, and also how the lip syncing and the mouth is moving for those voices. So I was here waiting, and these two messages came up. It's basically saying that the platform has moderated my videos because they are violating some of their policies. And so what happens is that some of the content cannot be produced via AI, and in this case, they are blocking media news, they are also blocking religion and some of the topics. And so what I've done is I've created a couple other examples using a different topic that can be used for the creation of videos.
Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems.
¿Por qué estaba triste el libro de matemáticas? Porque tenía demasiados problemas. Por que o livro de matemática estava triste? Porque tinha muitos problemas. Pourquoi le livre de mathématiques était-il triste? Parce qu'il avait trop de problèmes.
I really hope you like this video. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and talk to you soon.